The alleged inflow of $1 billion from lottery scamming to purchase guns is the reason for the 53% year-on-year rise in homicides in Western Jamaica, so says National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang. He made the revelation during his contribution to the sectoral debate in Gordon House on Wednesday, stating his ministry is working with international partners to stem the issue.
We work with our partners because the money that the people that are being extorted are from, in fact, North America. And therefore we have to work with them to get the evidence from the people who have been extorted, and we will work locally to identify where they're operating. So it's a very complex operation. We are giving full cooperation. They have personally worked with us. We have made progress, but it's hundreds of people involved. We have apprehended dozens, some have been extradited, but it's a continuing process, and we have to be dynamic and keep changing our strategy and tactics.
Minister Chang notes that this inflow of money is from people being extorted in North America, and this is posing a grave risk to the stability of the Jamaican state.
Because not only buy guns that kill people, undermine and corrupt institutions, and indeed, when it gets well known, it does impact on our economy, because $1 billion is a legitimate money, is a huge amount of money. We work therefore closely with MOCA, the police department responsible, CTOC, CFCD, MOCA, and FIDU have to work closely to get on top of what's an emerging major crisis in this area of criminality.
Dr. Chang gave a breakdown of what is happening in the rural areas.
On the other hand, gangs involved in what we call advanced fee fraud are much smaller, and transshipment of drugs tend to avoid community petty crimes. They indulge in targeted killing of their competitors. This is evident in Area 1, which is where all the increase in homicide is taking place this year. The numbers have spread to the rural areas where the advanced fee fraud activists can go wherever there's a cell phone connectivity, operate their activity, and so they are scattered across. And once they go to a district, conflict emerges and you get murders in small quiet districts now, which requires increased numbers, increased change in tactics, and we're having extensive discussion how to move there.
He says the upsurge in murders in Western Jamaica reflects a significant shift of criminal activities to the rural areas where the use of hotspot policing and technology are far less effective. He conceded that controlling the criminal violence in the deep rural spaces presents a challenge.